Alright, so today we're looking at the Benco 2026 test 6 section 1 we're starting with. Alright, so jumping right into it. Number 1, we have 7 by 4, or 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to something divided by 2. We know based on the equal sign that means both sides have to be the same. Alright, so this side and this side needs to be the same. So we need to work out one side first. So we work out the 7 by 4. So 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28. So which means that 28 is equal to some number divided by 2. So to figure out now what this number is, alright, so basically this becomes dividend divided by the divisor is equal to the quotient. So to find out now what the dividend is, which is the box or the square, it will be the 28 multiplied by 2, which will give us 56. Number 2, write the numeral represented below in words. So we have 6 hundreds of thousands, 0 tens of thousands, 3 thousands, 7 hundreds, 4 tens, and 2 ones. So the numeral in words, this would be 600 and 3,000 read these together here. 700 and read these two together, 42. Alright. Number 3, how many thirds are there in 12? So to find out how many of something there is in another, we need to divide. So this is 12 divided by is thirds, so 1/3. So that will become, to represent a whole number as a fraction, we put it over 1, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip the fraction on the right hand side. This becomes 3 over 1, so 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. Number 4, round off 29,543 to the nearest thousand. Whenever we round it off to the nearest thousand, we look at the thousands digit as well as the hundreds digit. Alright, so the thousands digit is 9, the hundreds digit is 5. We know that 5 is equal to 5, so we add 1 to the thousands column. When we add 1 to the 9, this becomes a group of 10. So with that group of 10, now it moves on to the tens of thousands. So we add 1 to the tens of thousands section. So this becomes 30,000. Evan packed eggs in boxes of 1 dozen. How many boxes are needed for 240 eggs? So we know a dozen is 12. To find out how many boxes, we know 12 eggs was equal to 1 box. So for 240 eggs, it will be 240 divided by 12, which will give us 20 boxes. Number 6, at a graduation hall, there are 25 rows, each with 32 chairs. How many chairs are there in the graduation hall? To find out the total, we just multiply 25 multiplied by 32. 5 by 2 is 10. 2 by 2 is 4, add 1 is 5. 5 by 3 is 15. 2 by 3 is 6, add 1 is 7. We add, this is 0, 0, 800. Complete the pattern below, 169, 144, 121. So we realize the pattern is decreasing, and we also realize that these numbers are square numbers. So we know that 13 by 13, 12 by 12, 11 by 11, so this will be 10 by 10, which is equal to 100. Number 8, circle 0.25 of the stars shown. So first we need to calculate the number of stars shown. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 28 stars. And I said circle 0.2 of it. So all we need to do is to find out how much is circle So 0.2, sorry, 0.25. So 0.25 multiplied by 28, which is equal to 7. We also know that 0.25 is 1 quarter, so you can find out 1 quarter of 28, which is 7. So you're circling any 7, right? Number 9, insert more than, less than, or equal to complete the statement. 156, 106. So we know that it is greater than. Alright, it is greater than. Number 10, Dave doubled the amount of money he originally had and now has $103. How much money did he have originally? So if you double something, that means you multiplied by 2. Alright, so to find out what the original amount was, we just do the opposite. So it will be the 103 divided by 2, which is equal to 5150. Number 11, Nigel purchased a game for $305. He sold it for $486. What was his profit? So to calculate profit, we know that it is the selling price take away the cost price, which is equal to $486 take away $305. That will leave us with $181. Number 12, Cindy has a pepper seedling that is 60 millimeters tall. After 3 weeks, it is now 19.5 centimeters tall. It said, how many centimeters did it grow? So we have millimeters, we have centimeters. The one the answer in centimeters. So I will change the 60 millimeters to centimeters. We know that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. So 60 millimeters would be 60 divided by 10, which is equal to 6 centimeters. I want to know the length that it grew. So it will be 19.5 centimeters, take away 6 centimeters, and that will leave us with 13.5 centimeters. Number 13, from a jug holding 950 milliliters of juice, Liam poured out 1/4 liter. What quantity of juice remained in the jug? So we know, based on mental maths, 1/4 liter is 250 milliliters. So to find out the remainder, we subtract. So 950 milliliters, take away 250 milliliters. That will leave us with 700 milliliters. Number 14, draw the hands on the clock to show the time 25 minutes to 6. So we know that 25 we are on the 2 sides, so it would be here. This here represents 25 minutes to 6. So therefore it would be, our hand would be between the 5 and the 6. Draw a trapezium in the space provided. Number 16, how many lines of symmetry are there in a rhombus? We know that it is 2 rhombus. Name the solid that is formed using 4 triangles. 4 triangles would be a triangular base, a pyramid. Number 18, the average weight of true friends is 44.8 kilograms. What is the total weight of the three friends? So to find out the total, when given the average and the number of numbers, we take the average and multiply by the number of numbers. So the total weight would be the 44.8 kilograms multiplied by 3, and that will give us 134.4 kilograms. Number 19, the incomplete tally table below shows the gaming devices owned by students in a class. 5 more students own PS5 than Xbox. Complete the tally table below. So they said 5 more students own PS5 than Xbox. So that means now, whatever Xbox is, to find out for PS5, whatever Xbox is, you need to add on 5 more. So we know Xbox is 10, 5 at 5 is 10, at 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 more, which is equal to 17. To set the complete tally, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And number 20, the incomplete table below shows the favorite fruit of 32 students in a class. How many students like pears? So we know we know the total, and we know 3 out of the 4 here. So to find for pears, it would be the sum, well, the total, which is 32, take away the sum of the known values, which is 9 plus 3 plus 15, and that will leave us with 32 take away 27, which is equal to 5. Alright, and that's it for section 1. We'll continue with section 2 in another video.